the heat's staying on, at least for a little while.
Yeah, but it's a little more comfortable with humidity, right?
Exactly. Very well put. It's almost desert-like out there. We had relative humidities in the 20% range this afternoon. It's come back up now as we've cooled into the evening. And look across the area. There are very few clouds to show you. In fact, I've got to put it in motion so you at least get a sense there's some high clouds up there. Charleston had some showers earlier. That's the debris clouds you might see over their area. But that's all pushed out of the way and long gone. You want to find rain, you got to come back here to the center of the country. This is the area of precipitation that's going to try to come our way, riding along a pretty strong cold front. But for tonight, things are very quiet, little expected. Might see some patchy fog. We'll detail that in just a second. So the next story is the cooler temperatures. The reds are gone, even most of the oranges, except right along coastal areas. 79 Hilton Head, 77 our official temperature at Savannah. The Borough at 72. Jessup currently at 70 degrees. We're 74 now here at WTOC. Relative humidity 86%. Our winds are calm. 94 was our high today. Pressure is currently steady. Future max keeps us dry during the day on Wednesday. Here's 11:30 Wednesday morning. Little precipitation to be found. Everything's offshore, pretty much in association with the passing Marie. Here's that front that's starting to try to come along, and as Maria goes by, this front's going to start to zoom its way in Thursday into Friday. Look at that. It really sets up offshore. Some of that rain will catch our coastal counties. I'm sure we're going to fine-tune that forecast as we get closer and closer to the end of the week. And here is Maria, now becoming pretty much an elongated area of low pressure. The center is actually way out ahead with all the deep convection back behind. Puerto Rico got 4.5 inches of rain today. Heavy rain across Hispaniola at this hour. Here's her current position. Winds at 50 miles an hour. Notice she's moving north at 9. That speed is going to really start to zoom as we go through the day. Wednesday, Thursday, there she goes. Off to the North Atlantic, passing us sometime late in the day on Wednesday, and then that'll be it. High pressure is starting to move in for us. This weakening stationary front keeps Maria away. So the high comes down here to about the northeast corner of the Gulf and parks. And that's what holds this first front up. There's a second cold front behind it. That second cold front is going to push the whole mess in our direction. That brings us the chance of showers and maybe some thunderstorms. I think it'll just be rain, though. Patchy fog late tonight. That's all to worry about. 68 tomorrow. We're going to break the record. 114 90-degree days so far. Here's 115. High of 91 with a northeast breeze at 3 to 6 miles an hour. Here's 116. High of 92. But Friday we get down into the 80s with a 30% chance of showers. Saturday, Sunday also with a chance of showers even toward the end of the forecast period. And temperatures stay much cooler, below normal. Upper 70s for the weekend. 80 for Monday. Lower 80s expected on Tuesday. If you are shrimp festing, remember, you don't need perfectly dry weather to enjoy great shrimp. And our sun and cloud mix should be with us with some scattered showers. I think a fine weekend ahead. At least that'll get me out of some yard work.
But you didn't have to tell us that about shrimp.
No, no.
And the rain's good. Just rinse them off. Perfect. Yeah.
Very good.
Thanks, John.
Well, sure, he's pretty.